If you are learning cybersecurity as a beginner, stop trying to master 50 tools. Start with these 5 I'm about to show you. Number 1 is Nmap. Learn Nmap to understand host, port, and the services on a network. Then number 2 is Wireshark. Wireshark help you to see and analyze what is happening inside the network traffic. Then number 3 is Burp Suite. Learn Burp Suite for understanding and testing web application. Then number 4 is Metasploit. Then we do Ctrl+C, MSF console, while we wait for it to turn on. Metasploit is a powerful tool, is a powerful framework for penetration testing in a authorized lab. Then the last but not the least in our list is OWASP browsing. Is another great tool for learning web application and security testing. There is OWASP browsing is for learning web application and security testing. Don't try to master all 5 at once. I will break them one by one. Follow me for more. Thank you.